How to submit tax information on Amazon affiliate. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add, submit or fill your tax information in your Amazon affiliate or your Amazon associate program. So once you have created your Amazon associate account, you will be able to see this kind of error on your home screen. So it says that submit your tax information. So if you haven't submit your tax information yet, you will be able to see this kind of error on your home screen in your Amazon associate profile. So in order to fix that, all you have to do is just simply click on submit text information and start submitting the text information, which is quite simple doing that. So just simply click on it, and over here you will see two options which says account information and payment and text information. Since you want to fill in your text information, just simply come down to the last option which says a current text status, which says incomplete. Just simply click on it and it will open up a window where you have to fill in your text information. Now the text has been classified into two, so you can fill in as individual or business. So you can select accordingly. If you have a business registered with Amazon, so you can go ahead and fill the information from there. And if you don't have the business listed over here, you can submit it as individual, because I'm gonna do just same. So just simply click on individual, and after that just simply enter your legal name with the text purpose and enter the name here. And now you have to provide your proprietary business name if it is applicable. Since you are not filling in the business site, so you can skip it because it is optional. And after that you have to select your country and region, which has been already selected in my case. So and you can select it accordingly in the country that you are living in right now. And now you have to provide your PAN card number, which is basically your text information that has to be linked with your PAN card or any other identity card which is legal in your country. So I'm gonna enter my PAN card over here. Now you have to provide your MS Med ID, which is optional again, so you can skip it. And you also have to provide your GST registration number. So if you don't have these things, you can simply skip them because they are optional, which is not necessary for you to provide them. And after that you have to provide your signature. Basically just write your full name in order to get your signature done, and the date. And after that, once you are done submitting all these details, just simply click on submit over here from the bottom of the screen. Now when you click on submit, you can see that the text information has been submitted and the task has been completed, which you can see on my screen right now. Now you have to go ahead and enter your payment detail as well. So just simply click on change payment method. But in order to change it, you should first have a payment method added to the Amazon associate account. So we will gonna add the payment method first of all. So just simply select the pay by NEFT, and there is a minimum requirement that has to be fulfilled in order for you to get your payment received in your bank account, that you will just enter over here. And just simply select the country or location through which you are filling the text details or the payment method. And after that you have to enter your bank account holder name, bank account number, then re-enter the bank account number to confirm it, and enter the bank name and IFSC code as well. So I'm going to quickly fill in all these details so you can fill yours. So you can also fill yours. And once you are done filling in your bank details, just simply select the text purpose from the country you are filling the details. So if you're not from US, so just simply select no, and after that just simply press submit. And as soon as you submit your bank details, you will see that it will say that payment information updated successfully. So your payment detail has been updated with the Amazon associate program successfully. And now when you go back to your home screen, you will see that the error that has been showing earlier, which says submit your text information, has been removed now. It means that your Amazon associate profile has been created successfully, and now you can go ahead and generate links and start promoting the products. So this is basically how you will be able to add, submit or fill your text information on your Amazon associate or your Amazon affiliate program. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.